Amado V. Hernandez was a Filipino writer, poet, labor leader, and a revolutionary. He is considered as one of the most important leaders in Philippine literature and is known for his socially conscious poetry and prose. Hernandez was born on September 13, 1903 in Hagonoy, Bulacan, Philippines. He grew up in a family of tenant farmers and experienced poverty and hardship firsthand. Amado worked as a reporter, writer, and journalist for a variety of publications, including newspaper and magazines. Despite this, he was able to attend school and eventually studied in the University of Manila, where he earned a degree of education. Hernandez received the Republic Cultural Heritage Award as a number of balagtas, and he also received an award from the National Press Club for his journalist achievements. One of Hernandez's works is Isang Dipang Langit, A Stretch of Sky, a poem that is reflected on the beauty of the natural world and the struggle of the Filipino people. Through its vivid imagery and evocative language, Isang Dipang Langit speaks to enduring spirit of the Filipino people and the resilience in the face of adversity. It is a powerful work of art that continues to inspire and resonate with readers today. Hernandez died on March 24, 1970, while in prison on charges related to his revolutionary activities. He is remembered as a hero of the time of the Philippine labor and peasant movements, as well as a great writer and poet. Isang Dipang Langit ni Amado V. Hernandez. Ako'y ipiniit ng linsil na punong hangad palipasang tiwa ko'y pitin. Katawang marupok anya'y pagsuko. Damdami supil na't pitiin ay supil. Ikinulong ako sa kutang malupit. Pato, bakal, punlo, palasik ng bantay. Lubos na tiwalag sa buong daigdig at inaring kahit buhay man ay patay. Sa munting dungawan, tanging abot malas ay sandipang langit na puno ng luha. Maramot na birang ng pusong may sugat patawat ng aking pagkapariwara. Sintalim ng kidlat ang mata ng tanod, sa bintong may susit walang makalapit. Sigaw na bilanggo sa katabing muog, anakit atungal ng hayop sa yungib. Ang maghapoy tila isang tanikala na kalakad-lakad, paang madugo. Ang buong magdamag ay kulambong luksa ng kabaong waring lungga ng bilanggo. Kung minsay magdaan ang payak na yabag, kawil ng kadena ang kumakalanding. Sa maputlang araw saglit ibibilad, sanlibong aninong iniluwa ng dilim. Kung minsay ang gabi biglang magulantang, sa hudyat may takas at asod ng punlo. Kung minsay tumangis ang lumang batingaw, sa bitayang muog may naghihingalo. Ito ang tanging daigdig ko ngayon, bilangguan man di ilibingan ng buhay. 10, 20 at lahat ng taon ng buong buhay ko'y dito mapipigtal. Ngunit yaring diway walang takot hirap at batis pa rin itong aking puso. Piit ay bahagi ng pakikilamas, mapiit ay tanda ng di pagsuko. Ang tao't bathalay di natutulog at di habang araw ang api ay api. Tanang paniniil ay may pagtutuos habang may Bastilya'y may bayang gaganti. At bukas diyan din aking matatanaw sa sandipang langit na wala ng luha, sisikat ang gintong araw ng tagumpay. Layang sa salubong ako sa paglaya.